Hello everybody and welcome to the next iteration of Lode Project Updates. I'm Nick and I'm live here today from Anarchapulco, and you'll never guess who I bumped into. Lode Ambassador David Morgan. David, how you doing?
Nick, I'm fine, thank you.
So what brings you down to Anarchapulco?
Well, I was asked to speak. I've been asked to speak, I think, 4 years in a row now. I speak at the Dollar Vigilante section, which is the finance section, and we discuss cryptos, stock investing in general, gold and silver, just about anything to do with investment. And I have actually I mentioned the Lode program last year during my speech, briefly, and I took some time to do it again this year. I became acquainted with Lode pretty much from the inception, and to see the possibility of silver being re-implemented into the monetary system on a voluntary basis by the people really excited me. So it's been a while, a lot of progress has been made, and I'm really anxious to see the first implementation of putting silver back to work as real money.
Absolutely, couldn't agree more, which is why today we actually have a very exciting opportunity for you. You're going to be the first person to ever use AGX's modern silver money to purchase physical goods.
All right.
How does that sound to you?
Sounds good to me.
Awesome, well let's go ahead and get you registered then. All right, so first step to registering is very simple. You see it a lot with just about everything you sign up for these days. We just need you to put in your email and your chosen password and hit that register button.
Okay.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Awesome. All right, so we'll just give it maybe about 10 seconds here for the email to populate, and then there should be an activation link right inside the email that you'll get from the Lode administrator that'll give you access to our new mobile app.
Okay.
And I think it just loaded, so check it out.
Lode Community Administrator requires that all new accounts activate by the users created them. Click this link to activate your account. Okay, I just did that.
All right. And there you are. You're now live inside the very first AGX mobile app, and we're going to load your account now with some AGX. So if you go over to the Claim AGX button just on your right there,
Okay.
boom, you're going to hit the Start Scan button. Allow the camera, and then you scan the QR code. And we just wait a couple seconds, and as you can see, 10 AGX will now be added to your balance.
All right.
Awesome. So while the blockchain mines those coins, how about we go over and grab a cup of coffee?
Sounds good to me.
All right. And then this way.
Coffee shop.
For the chocolate. And we'll just push those doors open.
All right.
On through.
Yeah, I like a small one. See.
Perfect. You ready to go? Oh, you have it just sitting there. You should load the QR code. You should do that. How much AGX?
Gracias, Laura. Thank you.
Are you sure?
Good morning. I'm well, thank you. It is my decaf Americano.
Awesome. How would you like to pay today?
AGX coin.
That's going to be 3 AGX. I'm just going to type it into my app here. And then can you scan it for me? Awesome. So you can just go press OK. And they should load up in a minute or two.
Awesome.
Do you need your receipt?
It'll be on here.
It'll be on the app. It'll be on the app.
Perfect.
Here's your coffee.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Salud.
All right. Well, David, how's the coffee?
Nick, it's great. It's great to be able to go in and use silver and buy a cup of coffee.
How did it feel to actually go through the process of using AGX?
Well, it's similar to an app I have for a coffee house. So from that aspect, it didn't feel much different. But I'm going to have to process the reality. I mean, I'm here, first one to use the AGX coin, which is silver, to pay for something, and no questions asked. It worked perfectly, and everything starts at the beginning. So this is the beginning of reinstituting silver in, let's say, the most friendly form available, which is what all the millennials are using with Apple and all these payment systems. So actually, the more I think about it, it's a little more deep than it might look at on the surface. But I'm honored that you had me be the first being on the planet to use an AGX coin in payment.
Well, we're honored to have you and to have you be that first person. Thank you everybody for tuning in today. That's all the time we have. As always, if this is your first time joining us, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out lode.one to learn how we're constructing the future of modern silver money. Thank you everybody, and take care.